Hello, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on AliExpress using images. If you're trying to find a product on AliExpress and want to search for it using your camera or by uploading a picture from your gallery, here's how to do it. First, open the AliExpress app. Right next to the search bar, you'll see a small camera icon. Tap on it. This will open your camera, allowing you to take a photo of any item, and AliExpress will begin searching for similar products. Alternatively, if you grant AliExpress access to your photo gallery, you can upload an image directly from there. Just return to the home page, tap the camera icon again, and you'll see your gallery at the bottom. If it's your first time using this feature, you'll need to tap Allow Access to enable AliExpress to access your photos. Then, you can select any image, and the app will search for matching products. You can also manually select specific parts of the image to refine your search. That's it. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.